Oh, hell yeah. Bruh. Good, great, awesome. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Oh my goodness. That's so. Ew.
Did I ever smell one?
Does it smell like strawberries?
First off, look at the conveyor belt. It's just moving along. And look at Woody. What are you doing? You got attention to detail.
Wow, look at that.
I haven't been able to record for a little bit because I've been on the phone with Frank. But I bought at Disney Springs this lavender. Pretty much it has straight lavender it came with and lemon sugar. So making a like lemon lavender simple syrup, and then you mix it with fresh lemon juice and water, and you make lavender lemonade. Oh yeah.
Hashtag piss at people's apartment, guys.
Yes! Hashtag piss at people's apartments. Barley on it, ain't it?
Barley
all
already
on
has
it.
one.
Yes.
We'll have to get another one
Ain't
for
it?
the views.
I'm gonna go ahead and get my third on this. On that bike. I'm gonna go ahead and piss on that bike.
I'm actually trying to get myself energized enough to piss right now.
I got you. Probably smell that good.
Barley's a beautiful boy.
He's not queer, but he is here.
Hello.
It's Derek! Woo!
Special appearance for a night.
Yeah. Alright, we're about to make this freaking chicken. Right?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Simple as that. Let's get to it. Time lapse, go! Are we about to dig in or what? Yeah!
Mate, can you give me a pot beer with that?
What y'all think of this, cuz? Oh, yeah.
That's splendid in it.
This fool off at the train station tomorrow. I'm gonna pick him up at 8 a.m. Y'all will see that tomorrow, but after that, I will not see him until after I come back from Virginia. Yeah! So, pilot day! Be safe. I'll talk to you tomorrow.
Yes.
I'll see you.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
That boy shut that door. Too damn loud.
I'm gonna beef jerky.
Bro, he ran out of beef jerky already. He's so upset.
Bro, what? $3. We're going down to jerky.